In this video, we are going to discuss the scope or the functions of financial management. The functions of financial management can be divided into two parts. One is managerial function, another one is administrative functions. So the first managerial function is all about the pre-thinking of finance, how much money we need and from where we will acquire. This is based on the financial planning. What is the size, location and the amount of asset and primary expenses of a firm and such other matters that require to be considered. Based on that, we need to prepare a proper financial planning. Second is acquisition of finance. So the financial estimates should be made, whether we need long term finance or short term finance. The long term financial needs satisfied from the long term sources, that is equity, debenture and bank loans, the bonds, while the short term financial needs can be satisfied through the overdraft, cash credits, short term bank loans, advances. So we need to consider this, and we need to acquire finance. Second is we need to have effective utilization of the same. So whatever capital we are obtaining from various sources, we need to make its efficient and effective utilization in such a way that the profit, that the return on the investment is maximized. For that purpose, we can use so many techniques of the capital budgeting that will be covered in the financial management. Then the distribution of income, how much we need to decide how much we need to distribute to the shareholder in the form of dividend, and how much we need to retain in the business for the reinvestment purpose. Then the formation of financial policy, that is the case or credit policy of a company. Then proper tax planning based on the financial reports received from various departments in such a way that the minimum tax liability arrives. Then to maintain good cash liquidity position, strong cash liquidity position in such a way that whenever some current liability arises, we can meet them easily, we can perform our current liability easily. Then to exercise financial control, that is from various department we need to receive the reports and we need to analyze these reports and to have internal audit. Then the re-establishment of the asset. So we need to maintain the asset according to rules and regulations and policy. It can be treated somewhat as an administrative function, but when it comes to the replacement of an asset, it is the managerial function. So re-establishment, replacement is a part of managerial function. Then let's move to the administrative function. The first is what is the procedure of obtaining finance. The whole process, the documentation, the rules, regulations, the adherence to the laws should be based on this. This is the administrative function. Then making payments to the traders and the creditors. This is the matter of prestige of the company. So this should be considered by the administrative function of finance management. Then checking all the documents whenever transaction arises. This is the function of administrative part. Then administration of bills payable, administration of bills receivable, and to reconcile, maintain the bank reconciliation statement. Then to prepare an annual income and expenditure, that is income statement, profit and loss account, and for preparing financial reports, the balance sheets, and preparing financial statement for management accountant, that is for decision making purpose. Then whatever the procedure of insurance, that should be included here. Then preparing all the financial statements is the part of administrative function.